which is flatten the nested list iterator. So in this you have been given some of the nested list and you have to flatten means, so these are in the nested list, so you have to make these in the sequence form, you can say one by one. So if I see example here, this is one. So here you can see there are list 1 and then 2 and then 1. So how you can do, you can see first pick this one, pick this, then next one is this, and then next pick this one, and so on. And another example is 1 and 1 has 4 and 4 has 6. So you can see you have to go like 1 then 4 then 6. So it is, you can say, nested list. It is a nested list. Now what can you do? So if you see the problem statement which says you have nested iterator and next method. Now I want to see like what is the structure of the nested integer. So I think they have provided in the code. So if you see, the characteristic of nested integer is public boolean is integer constant. There is a is integer, get integer, and get list. Okay, so you can see you have three method. One is integer, second one is get integer, and then third one is get list. Now you can see is integer is showing in that list only one element is present or not. If only one element is present, we can use get integer to get that element, else we will use get list to traverse that list. Okay, so let's see how you can do. So let's say I pick this problem 1 2 3 and 4. Then you can see initially it is a list, so I will pick 1 then 2, then I will pick 3 and 4. Now again I will solve 3 and 4, then I will get 3 and 4, and I can add all these things 3 and 4. So now let's see the code. First see in Java. So you can see I have one method that is flatten the nested list. So what I am doing, if it is an integer, obviously add that, and if it is not integer, then recursively solve that list. And I think that you can see again you will come to the same part and you do the same things. You will add if it is an integer, if it is a list, again flatten that. So that is the flatten method doing, and it will add the flat list. So one by one you can see you will add nested integer. Now you have one counter that is current, that will be using to keep track of where we are currently. So next will do, it will get the current element and will increment the position of current by 1. And has next method is checking whether we have reached the flat list and or not. So I think that's it. Okay, now see the Python code. Then 3 if I go, so again I'm doing the same thing, the Python code as well. And let's see C++, and again doing the same thing. Yeah, I think that's it. I will provide the code link.